today we are Kim and Jason in Florida. If you're new to the channel, we are a boating couple in the Tampa Bay area. And we just put in at Fort De Soto. Tell them the good news about the Fort De Soto floating docks.
Oh yeah, the floating docks will be ready, late this year. Changed it from spring
of this 2026. Now there's a sign that says the end of 2026. So there's only one floating dock here, but the secret is come in, cut through about halfway, don't go all the way down by the ferry there. And then when you go through, you can go all the way to the end, and then you can kind of use that to back in. And then we just hop in the water. Can put the ladder down on the boat, and I just hop in. Water temperature
66.3.
Ooh, that's a little chilly, but it's beautiful. It's going to be like 0.5 today. Not much wind, so we are going to go out to Egmont. We have not been to Egmont in a minute, so
It's been a while, yeah.
It's been a while, so we're going to head out there today. We got the Magma grill. We're going to be grilling up the burgers on the boat. We're going to explore Egmont. We're going to bring you guys with us. So enjoy, sit back, and relax.
Makes me feel the way you do. Makes me feel the way. Makes me feel the way. Makes me feel the way. 'Cause no one makes me feel the way you do. No one makes me feel the way.
Probably going to need 2 anchors.
I'm gonna go in between those 2 boats up there.
Okay.
There we go.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ooh. Ooh.
Do you got enough line?
I think so. Go ahead and tie it up though.
Here you go.
Go. Good.
Got maybe 1 extra loop there.
Ooh. Seems like it's deeper over here. Am I gripped on and everything good?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Oh, there's only one towel I can trust to keep me dry. It's not bad. You actually get used to it. So.
Famous last words.
You'll find out.
Well, if you're going to be all naked like that, make sure you put some sunblock on.
Oh, I got some stuff. So,
What?
I brought some stuff. Awesome.
Oh, it's so pretty out.
It is. Look how beautiful it is. So we got these sailboats here. It's this is new. When was the last time we were out here?
Oh, I don't even know. Was it with Phil? We've parked down there.
Yeah,
but we haven't been over here in a while.
We haven't been over here in a minute. So this is the southeast spot here. Amaria and Passage Key is out that way. This is a nice little area. So, all right, you got duties.
Setting up for Mimosa Hour.
Mimosa Hour on the bow.
I'm having trouble.
Need help?
There. I don't know what's going on.
What's going on here?
Definitely check that before
Oh yeah, we didn't. I fell in last time we were out. I fell in. The thing.
Splash.
We didn't have it. We weren't recording.
All right, this is what we do, people.
This is what we do, and we got this idea from another couple. What?
Where's the mimosa hatch?
We haven't been doing that in a minute. It's all in there. Where do you put the boat towel at?
The what?
The boat towel?
I didn't touch it.
There
Yay!
you go.
Babe.
Is it not,
Champagne stopper.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm afraid it's gonna tip over. I'll just put it in there for it. 1 and 2. 2, 2, 2.
Yeah, this is not.
That's not it,
I
huh?
already know.
Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Sure, all right. There you go.
All right.
Let's see.
See, I like this spot because there's usually sailboats that we can.
Cheers.
Cheers. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's sailboats usually. There's one there. Just like looking at all the different boats.
Yep.
They all look nice. So I'm gonna enjoy this by myself. What's up? Cool. Oh, it's busier, huh?
It's busy. It's busy day.
Busy. Ah. Cool. There we go. Are you getting hungry?
Yeah. Are you getting hungry?
You getting hungry?
You getting hungry?
You getting hungry? All right. Let's see what we got here.
We haven't had burgers in a minute.
No, it's been a minute.
We kind of started eating differently recently. And I didn't make bacon for these burgers.
What? What'd you say?
I didn't make any bacon.
Oh no, we don't need any.
Yeah.
Trying to reduce some of that stuff anyways, you know?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Oh,
we haven't even had burgers in a long time.
God, Burger Can.
Ooh, I see juice coming out.
Juice is coming out. Looking good.
I'd rotate them around.
Yep. I can do
Because you
that.
got one flame is bigger than the other. This is flame broiled,
Flame broiled, huh?
so I want it my way. Shoot.
What's that?
Double meat.
Oh, you want double, huh?
Oh, perfect. Stick that little guy on your. There you go.
Yeah, almost done.
All that. Just smash it.
Yeah. Smash
On
it,
there.
smash it.
You want some?
Oh, I don't need any.
No.
No.
All right. So then you got the mayo.
Yeah, good old mayo.
The Dukes.
Dukes. Done. All right. You know what to do.
Oh. That?
Oh, look at that.
Is that what we're doing?
That's what we're doing.
Let me see that doneness. There you go.
That's a mayo, bro.
Here you go. Is that for you?
That was good. You okay with that?
Ciao, people.
Yep. So we'll see if we can find some shells. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Get in there and
Babe.
pretend it's not
Oh
cold.
my God. Oh. Oh, I can't reach. Give me my stuff.
Can you tell?
My shirt got wet.
Yeah.
You gotta
Oh.
hold this.
Yeah.
My shirt got wet. Oh God. Oh God, it's cold.
It's gonna warm up.
No. Oh my God. Oh.
Okay.
You didn't bring a towel?
No, I'm just gonna suck. I'm gonna dry off.
Oh.
All right, so we've got this.
That's like an AC unit, isn't it?
I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, there's some other stuff over here too. No, it's. Oh, I wonder if it came off that sailboat. Is it like an oven or something? I'm not sure what it is.
What?
I'm not sure what it is. If it came off that sailboat or.
Probably. It looks like it's either refrigeration. Oh, it's a refrigerator. This is a freezer.
All right, yeah. So maybe.
And that's a refrigerator.
Maybe it came off that sailboat. All right, let's walk around and see what we got.
Yeah.
See, it's not bad.
It's not great.
Which way you want to go?
That way.
Down there. So we're looking for shells.
Mm-hmm.
See if we got anything good.
Holy crap, that was cold.
Yeah, that was cold. Well, maybe you'll find an olive.
I found an olive in the yard yesterday.
Oh, did you? Oh.
Yeah, he came from the landscaping portion where I throw our shells.
Yep. Oh man, I am still cold. Let's get the little shelling bucket. Yeah, water temperature was warmer, a lot warmer last time we were out.